Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got with me the Philippe Jourget FIF20 Custom knife for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right here. So let's check it out. This guy comes in a nice pouch, I have to say. It's semi-hard with this patch, like here inside you're gonna find certificate of authenticity with all the specs right here, and underneath you're gonna find, of course, a cutout in the foam with some elastic band to hold your precious FIF20 in place, and here it is. So this is Philippe Jourget FIF20. It's a fantastic knife, guys. This is the custom version. You might be familiar with the FIF20 production version, which is the custom knife factory, but this is the custom one, made by Philippe Jourget by hand in France. It's a very expensive knife. It's a custom knife. It's super rare. I believe there's only two made with this lightning strike carbon fiber scales. Titanium bolsters, titanium liners, carbon fiber back spacer, titanium pocket clip 3D milled, CPM 154 hand rub satin steel. Guys, gorgeous. Really fantastic. I mean, the action on this one is superb. Fit and finish is just spot on. The ergos are great. I mean, guys, this is a pleasure. Like the Custom Knife Factory FIF20, I don't have it here. It's gone. You can check my comparison video between these two guys, and yeah. I mean, I had to sell it, not because it was a bad knife, but because this is so good. I mean, it's so well made, it's exuding quality, and it's just fantastic. I couldn't keep both. I had to decide, and I picked this guy right over here because it's just a gorgeous knife. I mean, overall length is going to be 7.8, 7.9 inches with a 3.4-inch long cutting edge, and I would say like 4.5-inch long handle. Let's just quickly check the weight. It's not super light, but it's not like too bad. I think this guy's gonna be like 379, 3.8 ounces, so it's not gonna be too bad in the pocket because of the titanium, because of the carbon fiber. It's an awesome knife, guys. Really cool. Full flat grind, nice swedge going on. The back spacer is something gorgeous, like absolutely flush. Fit and finish, outstanding. Sounds amazing, looks fantastic, and feels great in the hand. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.